Yep, I just wanted to give just a quick video if anyone has a Xbox One S and they have this error messages when they're trying to use 4K content. I actually have a solution if you have a TV that is like this. It's a Hisense ULED 4K Premium 50 U6G, and this will be a similar setting if you have different TVs, but it's a pretty easy solution on this model. I'll show you the remote control. Above the channel button, there's the button here with the two lines on it. We go back, you go to picture, and if you're playing games, you should change this one to game. Anything else, you'll just go ahead and change it to sports, theater, whatever you're using. If you're doing game, just leave it on that for right now. Scroll down till you see the HDMI 2.0 format. It's on standard. Switch it to enhanced, and you'll see that things have changed on your Xbox. After you go back out of the menu, hang on just 1 second, because I have to get the controller now. Yeah, because if you go back out of it, and you go back into it, you'll see that you have all green check marks. So it's basically a setting that's on different TVs. It's the same particular thing, and you'll see that it does support everything. This is an Xbox One S, and it might be a similar thing with the PlayStation 4 Pro also. I'm not sure if it has the same kind of problems, but you can give that a try. Yeah, as long as you have 4K TV. So, I hope it helps. Have a good day.